This infrared CO/CO2 analyzer measures CO and CO2 concentrations with high accuracy using NDIR technology. It offers two measurement ranges, 0-50 ppm CO/0-5000 ppm CO2 or 0-200 ppm CO/0-10,000 ppm CO2. The device includes a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen, internal battery, and dual power supply, AC/DC. Data can be stored, greater than 100,000 points, printed via the built-in printer, or exported via USB/Wi-Fi. With automatic temperature compensation and a rugged design, -20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, it ensures reliable performance in harsh environments. Features like real-time flow display and alarms make it suitable for occupational health and air quality monitoring.